get in a cardio workout. I'm talking about visiting the Beverly Center. Now, if you're looking for something to do on the weekend or during the week to kill time, you've got to check out this mall. Not only is it seated right in the heart of Beverly Hills, but you're around some of the trendiest stores around, and you might catch a celebrity.
Much later, baby, you'll be saying never mind. You know life is cruel, life is never kind. So make a little story, kind hearts so grab a little glory. We're the kids in America, we're the kids in America. Everybody live for the music around. Got to get a brand new experience, feeling right. Oh, don't try to stop, baby, hold me tight. Outside a new day is done.
Hey Clueless fans, I'm in the Beverly Center where the opening sequence was shot. If you can look behind me, you can definitely tell that this is where Cher and all the gang is doing their shopping right before school. So, if you're in the area of Los Angeles and you are looking for something to do and not Columbia later, definitely check out the Beverly Center right off of La Cienega.
Everybody live for the music.